How to edit Shopify footer. Hello guys, and today we're going to talk about this platform called Shopify. And the first thing you're going to do is you're going to go to Themes under Online Store. And we're simply going to click on Customize. And we would be redirected to the editing page of Shopify. As you can see here on the left side, we would be able to see the different sections of the homepage. And over here at the bottom, we have the footer. We're going to click this and we would be able to edit the different contents of the footer. Over here, we have the email sign up, which is this section over here. We could disable this by clicking on this checkbox. And as you can see, it's going to go away. We could make it show up again by doing this. And we could also change the heading information over here. For example, enter your email, just like that. Our heading text over here in the center is being changed. We could also change the color scheme of our footer to accent 1, which is a black color, to these different options over here. We could also enable follow on shop, have social media icons appear, country and region selector, language selector, payment methods, and many more. We could also edit the spacing over here and the section padding over here. You could also add a section or a block under footer. And by clicking on add section, you could add custom liquid and email signup. Under add block over here, you would be able to add menu, brand information, text, and image. And that's it guys, that's how you can edit the footer of Shopify. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.